talking about a sugar booger flavor.
Jarvis, Shelly Ojo,
Ew.
security. I know there's gonna be
Work every day till we meet ends. I fi turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real friend. So the money like English. 2016 me need help to bring this. When me a stack it up, that's the heal and me witness. Life a no game but me in it fi win this. Good life, that's every ghetto youth fi know about. Take care of everybody what you care about. Tired of hungry try pass here out. If you a share out. Man just want live, listen me mama happy. Eyes up like Marcus and grow me nothing. Oh God, eh.
Hi Divinity Nation. What's up?
I fi turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real friend. So the money like English. 2016 me need help to bring this. When me a stack it up, that's the heal and me witness. Life a no game but me in it fi win this. Good life, that's every ghetto youth fi know about. Take care of everybody what you care about. Tired of hungry try pass here out. If you a share out. Man just want live, listen me mama happy. Eyes up like Marcus and grow me nothing. Oh God, eh.
Hi Divinity Nation. What's up?
Yeah, we have short people in the same coach.
No, I told them no. How it works is that I just continue each and every vlog.
I fi turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real friend. So the money like English. 2016 me need help to bring this. When me a stack it up, that's the heal and me witness. Life a no game but me in it fi win this. Good life, that's every ghetto youth fi know about. Take care of everybody what you care about. Tired of hungry try pass here out. If you a share out. Man just want live, listen me mama happy. Eyes up like Marcus and grow me nothing. Oh God, eh.
Hi Divinity Nation. What's up?
Yeah, we have short people in the same coach.
No, I told them no. How it works is that I just continue each and every vlog. You know this work already.
Yes, you can't put up.
You know, oh no, come like a eye catch this or something. I don't know. Wait for you. You see all this dude, what miserable though. Let me see if I can show.
That this goes straight up to Canton Spring, you know.
It's so ridiculous because they're swearing in the new prime minister. So it's just so miserable. It's miserable, guys.
Normally I work with the people with the phone number and I don't know why I left it this morning.
So you don't know the number yet?
Like.
Stop with the overtaking thing. Stop it.
Moment.
It doesn't matter. Stop it.
Mom, we are get there. No, not next year. We're gonna get there. Say it with me. Get there. Get there. It would be less stressing. Yeah, look for me. What them name? Divinities.
Mr. Dorian's son.
Rotted. Yeah. Switch party ma go. So him just go carry him ma go.
You do the same thing.
No, me not do that. Watch him ma go. Jesus. We just invent all just all some jetpack.
What
Come my
is
yard, come release them.
What is jetpack?
Jetpack you put on and you make you fly. Yo. Trust me. No traffic down here. No traffic could there down here. Trust me. Everybody get there quick. Him not underneath them shit there.
I don't mean to look for no way.
Them boy they are bad man. Them mermaid bad man.
Can't call it all, yes, bad man. Transcend man, them a real bad man. Them boy they are mermaid bad man. How do some mermaid bad man?
not sure where we're going now, guys. We're just driving.
Me no pile man, me no messy.
It's the same day, obviously, that I ended the last vlog in.
Yes, guys.
Because you see the van in the same clothes. He get a tan too, like. The sun is no joke.
God, the sun no dominant.
No doubt, man. No joke.
Oh yeah. I'm not trying the line. In that.
What's up, guys? We here just chilling. Divine wait for him cousin. You wanna say anything?
No, really. I don't know what to say.
Okay. But yeah, so it's Thursday, as you guys know. Thursday. And the road is crazy because, as I told you guys in the previous clip, they're swearing in the new prime minister and just a bag of election business going on. So yeah, but we still leave this spot though, so not sure what we're going to do afterwards.
Yeah, what she said.
Yeah. So guys, I'm here still on the road with Design. Come look for next cousin. It's like after 5 minutes, 6 in the evening now. You see how sweaty I look? Oh my gosh. G-life. No makeup, no nothing. I'm just chilling. But yeah, I'm just here, guys. I feel like y'all are super excited. Super excited. Y'all got super excited from the last vlog. I appreciate the support so much. Y'all don't even know. Huh? Where's it? What? Where's it? Okay. Good. So yeah, I look like mommy I cook a can saltfish. When you know someone eat saltfish, so I go pick it up. When I hear me say I can saltfish, there's no someone pick out the saltfish. So yeah, nothing that spectacular now really go on today. We're just up and down all about, you know. Yeah. So right now I don't really have nothing for show, nothing for set, you know, I just a chill. Cups with the ice and we do this every night. Yes, it's not catch it. Not catch it. If no one will vlog him, it's not catch it. Okay. Okay. Alright. Alright. Where you say? 7 o'clock you go to bed?
7 o'clock.
Allah ya tell no. Allah ya tell.
You when me lick like shit.
Allah ya tell man. You did bad like one. Boy, 7 o'clock you go in bed. I know, right? Trying to be a role model. You know, I'm a vlog. I'm not going to bed no 7 o'clock, mommy. Don't make it. I'm not going to bed no. Thank you very much, Shami.
Yes. You have parents.
I miss my love her by 7 o'clock when she over there.
No, so that's a presume.
No.
Me used to have to go
I have to go to my bed early.
When I live with my father. 8 o'clock. Then I got me to learn.
But him not going to bed, him only going like him going to bed, him don't go in bed.
Some parents in their bed have to go to bed, but they have to sleep, I know.
You're going to bed, Alright. Wakey then. Go on. Bye. Go on now.
Yeah.
Funny, real funny and so happy.
What should I say?
John, I'm feel away on here, I'm going to check them. It come here, somebody can hear rascal. Mother, yeah. God, man, check it out.
I'm not going to lose on the cry. I'm saying,
Yeah, yeah.
you cry because I don't need to.
God,
I don't need truly. Let me tell you, oh, you go. One morning, I did a solution.
Divinity Nation, what's up guys? I'm here about to go on the road. I have a number of places I want to go. Divine, I'm gonna meet up with him because I'm gonna have to take care of some business earlier on. So yeah, I have to go to ship me. I have a couple of stuff I need to pick up for my kit and some other stuff that we both need to deal with. I'm hungry, so we'll probably grab something to eat. It's Friday, by the way, so I'm gonna go to the club later on and such. Yeah, that's what's up. I'm here repping. Wearing my shirt today and my hat with these like camo joggers that I bought off Fashion Nova and my Nike slippers and my regular everywhere bag. Bring it everywhere. Yeah, just did I get ready with me, by the way. Yeah, did I get ready with me on this look, you know, outfit, all of that good stuff. Just felt like it, and yeah. Okay, so I hope you guys can hear me. I'm here waiting on Divine. I already got all I need to get, and I'm just waiting on him now. I want to ship me, but I don't know. The traffic kind of hold him up, so I'm not even know if Mega can reach in time for today. But yeah, I'm just here, basically just waiting on him, and I hope it don't take forever to reach. But
I take out camera.
yeah, man. So you see your dash about the art is alright.
That is
So I'm finally reached, guys, after I'm wait like 5 hours.
listen, traffic blocking and the girl in the tights not stacking.
Shut up, man!
Yeah,
Oh
me
my
I say, bro,
gosh.
traffic thick, son. Like, come on, bro.
You shouldn't get one jetpack and fly over.
Yo, see that me that's ever for invent.
Shut up.
And bring it, come down here, make a food. And
So,
fly out them.
can't go ship me again because they might make it lock on me.
Listen, me make it lock on that. I me tell me have the key. I me have the key at my place. Me make it lock on you.
Say hi, Kadeen. So she is his sister. She's the one with the day at the pizza place the other day and telling us that she passed. Yeah, it was her. I never get a chance to bring out the camera.
I want this one, man.
What do you want me to be? May I vlog you?
Oh, God.
Yeah, flag you.
I'm vlog.
Yeah, flag you.
What? Something wrong?
Flag you.
I'm vlogging you. Like, what's the deal? You have something to say. Shut up, man. You know for say nothing, Nina. You know for say nothing at all.
I said no. Stop me from talking. That's if you do.
See, your nose ring and drop out of your nose too. What listen me there?
No.
What it for me now?
No. It's big like.
Mind your book the foot and drop. Don't even know more than you're gonna make it dark when you hold it like
So
that.
I hold it up so.
Not so high.
But alright, so I'm gonna hold it. Go on, the big head. Oh yeah, watch your dead. Talk to the camera over say.
I just want this one on this camera thing, man.
Yo, me say.
Are you uncomfortable?
A little bit.
Yeah, can't bother with it.
You shut up. You get used to it.
Madam, me I say
Can't bother with it.
yeah.
You don't
looking
see me
at
now
them.
in the video.
I have a choice.
So guys, may I get something to eat now, but I never get
Shop pre-made
I never get
no island.
It's not because him not eat nothing, so but him drink. We did forgo crayfish Wednesdays, and because I made them now, but may I go tomorrow.
You know, see them now we want. So
Could
what
I
I mean, you
still
know.
take something?
Yo, every day
It mash up my Friday. It mash up my Friday. Mash up my Friday.
What? Where are we supposed to? Stop with your mouth going on.
So this is where I'm going to end this vlog, guys. This is where I'm gonna end it. So I'll talk to you guys in vlog 71.
Yeah, sometimes I like it. Yeah, but every day, you know. Yo, we go on the service, yeah. I don't name divinities. I'm big up divinity nation, you see.
Make you feel nice, make me feel nice now. Me make you look great, make me feel great now. Me make you feel nice, make me feel nice now. Me make you look great, make me feel great now. Don't ever get vexed, ever get vexed. Come yo, turn round, bend down, dirt you get now. Don't touch me, move your one. Walk me, your walk slavery just begun. Don't touch me, move your one. Tell me, get your face a figure England.